Hello, my wonderful people. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, kindly do go and subscribe, and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified in any time I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, kindly drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. Okay, my people. I'm going to assemble this my dressing table or a vanity dresser with mirror and also lead lights. So this dressing table, it was delivered like a month ago or probably 3 weeks ago. So it was delivered. I said, okay, let me assemble it myself because my husband was busy assembling our wardrobe. Then I was so tired. I was like, what is this? There was a lot. So I was like, okay, let me try it. Then I started assembling the dressing table, or you can also call it a vanity dresser. So it's also the same thing. Then I was looking at the manual. So the thing was like confusing. I don't even know where to start from. I said, okay, let me start because my husband is assembling our wardrobe. Then I said, okay, let me assemble this dressing table. Okay, guys, let me leave you and show you step by step how I assemble this vanity dresser / mirror and also a LED light. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye. Okay, guys, here is the final look of my dressing table or a vanity dresser. So I love it so much. So this dressing table came with the mirror and also with lead light, and the lead light have a TV colors. So this share I ordered it separate, so the share did not come with the a vanity dresser. So I love it so much, so I'm going to order my makeup things now. You know, now sharply. So I so much love it so much, so it was so easy. So but at the beginning I find it difficult to assemble, but later with the help of my husband, so everything went well. So my husband helped me to fix the lead lights. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your time you spent for this video, watching this video. Thank you so much. So look at it now, it's very beautiful. So go and order one for yourself. Okay, if you are a lady, you need to have a dressing table. See you guys in my next video. Bye.